Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we are going to multiply these given matrices, and as you can see that these matrices have different dimensions. And here are the dimension of these both matrices. The first one on the left hand side, the blue matrix, the dimension is 3 by 3. That means 3 rows and 3 columns. And for this right hand side red matrix, the rows are 3 and 2 columns. And now we are going to check the matrix multiplication compatibility. That means, can we multiply these two given matrices? For that, always check these interior inside numbers. The first one is 3 and this one. These are interior numbers. Are they same? Yes, they are same indeed. That means yes, we can multiply these two matrices. So always remember, whenever you check these one, if they are same, you can multiply, yes. If they are not same, no, you can't. Now the next thing to check is to find the dimension of our answer or resultant matrix. That means what is going to be our end result. So for that one, look at these exterior outside numbers. Over here, this is 3 and this is 2. Just pair them up. So that is going to give us 3 by 2. That means 3 rows and 2 columns. And this is going to be the dimension of our answer matrix. And here is the roadmap or the matrix scheme. Once we multiply these two matrices, our answer matrix is going to look like this one. That will have 3 rows and 2 columns. As you can see, 3 rows and 2 columns. Now next step is, I want you to look at this one. How we gonna fill out these slots. Let me show you. Focus on the left hand side matrix, the blue matrix. Look at this first column. This is gonna go in this slot. The next column is going to go in this slot, and finally this column is going to go in this slot. What that means is, this number is going to become 3, 1, -4. Likewise over here, -2, 5, -6, and over here -8, -9, and 7. That's the way we're going to fill out these blue numbers. And same thing we're going to repeat for this next box, for this column. And here I have nicely filled out these blue numbers in all these boxes. Now let's shift our focus on the right hand side, the red matrix. Let's focus on this first column, this -4, 0, 8. So I'm gonna make this column as a row, and I'm gonna put down like this one, -4, 0, 8. Okay. Likewise, I am going to take this column over here, the red column. I am going to write down this as 3, -2, -5. All right. So now the next thing is, I want you to go ahead and fill out this one. It's going to filter in all the way. This is going to get filtered in over here, and this is going to get filtered in like this one. So that means this is going to become -4, -4, -4. Likewise, 0, 0, 0 across the board, 8, 8, 8. And we're going to repeat the same process over here as well. As you can see, this thing, they're going to show up over here. And finally, here is our final product after filling out all these blue and red numbers. It looks really nice now. And here in this next step, I just went ahead and multiplied 3 times negative 4. When you multiply these one, that's going to give you negative 12. Negative 2 times 0 is going to give you 0. Negative 8 times 8 is going to give you negative 64. I just multiplied everything and put in a single parentheses. And in the next step, I removed these parentheses. Negative 12, I just put it over here, 0 right up here, negative 64. So we no longer have parentheses. The next thing is I am just simply going to add and subtract these numbers. So let's go ahead and write down these numbers right here. Negative 12 plus 0 minus 64 is going to give you negative 76. Obviously, the next one, that is going to give you 53. This one is going to give you negative 76 as well. And over here, that's going to give you 38. And over here, that's going to give you 72. And the next number is going to be negative 35. Since these 12 and negative 12, they cross out. So this is our answer matrix. So thus our answer turns out to be this given numbers when we multiply these two given matrices, and this is our answer. And finally, here is your assignment. Can you multiply these two matrices exactly the way I modeled it for you? You can take your time, you can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.